Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Comfortable conditions for the rest of this week. A little cloudy but not super hot, with mainly nuisance showers bringing insignificant rainfall totals. Next week the weather starts turning tropical again with sultry mornings and stormy afternoons. Temperatures have continued in the usual range for a November southeasterly. Bundaberg rose to a high of 27 degrees today after a low this morning of 18. Turning to the satellite loop, you can see the action's all pretty much in the west at the moment. There are severe thunderstorms, although warnings are sort of coming and going. It's all near the western border. Some good cloud, though, coming through across the Carnarvon Ranges and even into the Western Downs. But generally, eastern districts have just been cloudy but mainly dry, with just a little bit of drizzle here and there. Most of the coastal showers have been confined to the far north tropical coast, especially the Kasserine coast. Now, today's chart, we've got that same high. It's actually quite strong. It's in the high 30s, but it's moving south very quickly. But it's extending a firm ridge of high pressure right up and down the Queensland coast with those steady and cool southeasterly breezes, moist enough to bring those showers mainly on the tropical coast. On tomorrow's chart, the pattern doesn't change much. As you can see, we've still got that western trough spawning all those really nasty storms, but in the east it's just mainly garden variety showers. If that, it'll be mostly fine pretty much everywhere. Then on the outlook chart, again it looks the same. This inland trough starts to advance further east, but it won't be until next week that it'll affect eastern Queensland. To the latest now from the BOM. Boating forecasts for Hervey Bay waters between 10 and 20 knots of east-southeasterly tomorrow. Straight easterlies on Friday, 10 to 15 knots. Same again for Saturday. For Gari offshore waters, it's southeasterlies between 10 and 20 knots tomorrow with 1.5 metre seas. Easterly winds Friday, Saturday, nothing over 15 knots. Tides are growing fast, and now that it's November, we're seeing larger high tides in the daytime compared to the night, the exact opposite of winter. The Wide Bay Burnett District, a partly cloudy day, but mainly fine. Bundaberg, 18 up to 27 degrees, 26 for Gympie. Hervey Bay and Maribor 27 again. Looking ahead for Bundaberg, a slow, insidious rise in temperature will play out over the next 7 days, but we won't feel it until Sunday, Monday, when the steamy north wind brings back the storms. Tonight's photo demonstrates a process called glaciation, which happens at the tops of thunderclouds when vapour condenses into snow and supercooled water freezes into ice, revealing a smooth white cap that spreads out under the roof of the atmosphere. Taken last Saturday looking west from Bundaberg. Thank you, Troy Dorburris, and now it's back to the team.
Yeah, terrific, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Thanks for your company, and just a reminder, of course, you can watch our news on the 7plus app or catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. As always, we'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Good night.